Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about attraction marketing because that's what I do. My job is to help network marketers, online marketers grow their business and learn attraction marketing. So today I was thinking about our mind, and I talk a lot about our mind. If you watch me any length of time, you see me doing this a lot and talking about what goes on between our two ears, our mind. Hey, Kristen. So why is what we think so powerful? The mind has got the ability to freak us out about all kinds of things, and it has the ability to lie to us if we allow it. It also has the ability to empower us to go beyond what we think is possible. Let me tell you a nursing story just to let you know the power of the mind. I remember when I was in nursing school, we talked about women who really wanted to have babies. Hey, Lady Sarah. And but couldn't have baby, and they would have what's called a false pregnancy. And so I remember learning about that, and I thought, okay, it happens, you learn about these kind of things. Well, then several years into my nursing practice, I met a lady at home, and my goodness, this lady looked like she was 8-9 months pregnant. She had her maternity stuff on. We were talking about babies, yada 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 yada, and I saw her a few months later, and there was no baby. And so I happened to know her friend, and I asked her friend, and what had happened was this lady was absolutely one of those women who so desperately wanted a child that in her mind totally fooled her body into thinking she was pregnant. So her belly grew, she stopped her menstrual period, all those things that to show that there were fake signs of that she was pregnant, except when 9 months came and go, and when 10 months came and went, there was no baby, there was no heartbeat. And so I share that story with you to explain to you the power of the mind. And so in many times when we're building our online businesses, we start to doubt ourselves, we doubt our abilities to be able to succeed. We doubt because we have negative Nellies in our life who tell us we can't succeed. And maybe, hey LeBron, maybe in our history when we've tried other network marketing companies, we haven't succeeded. And probably because we weren't using attraction marketing and doing the wrong way, especially if you did it like me, did it the wrong way for 18 years, okay? So that belief system gets in here, and sometimes we begin to believe that lie that we will never be successful. Hey LeBron, and that belief that you cannot be successful is as detrimental to you and your business as that story that I shared with you about the woman who thought that she was pregnant and so desperately wanted to be pregnant that this was detrimental to her life. It was crushing to her life. So what do we do? What do we do when we have that mindset battle? When we're trying to figure out what is our belief? It all starts, sometimes you got to go back, peel back and go back into sometimes when you were a child, what was going on there, what kind of limiting beliefs were there. And sometimes it's all wrapped around your ability to succeed financially, going back to how you were raised, if you were raised in the Depression time, if you got punitively in trouble by your parents one time because you went through money too fast or something like that. Sometimes those kind of things that happen in our younger years affect our belief system today. Isn't that kind of interesting when you really start learning about that stuff? But so those belief systems, and if you have that negative belief system within you, can cripple you and prevent you from succeeding. And so this is why what you need to do is you need to surround yourself with those positive people that can support you. People that will help you get to the next step. People that see the value in you and will help you peel back the layers and figure out where you're stuck and help you get unstuck and get to the level you want to be. People that aren't necessarily your upline that aren't, because when you have people on your periphery who support you, they're not making anything from you, so they just love you as you are. And sometimes some of us have uplines in our businesses that are very supportive, but when I'm talking about you getting support, find that support system that can help you, that can help you set your goals, that can help you realistically achieve your goals, not just give you a bucket full of lies and tell you if you talk to 100,000 people you're going to be successful in your business. Those are things that are important to you. So surround yourself with the right people. If you don't have support and you need help, and if you just put down in the comments, drop a comment, support help, and that way I know that I need to connect you up. I'd love to connect you up with my dream team, a group of network marketers from all over the world who work together to help each other build their businesses, who help other people in network marketing companies build their businesses and grow by using attraction marketing. Thanks for your comments. If you've got any questions while I'm talking now about your belief system and how it can sabotage you, your needs for support, just ask me, and if I see it on here, I'll try to stop and answer you. But you need to work on changing what goes on in here and look back at what you are doing to sabotage yourself. If you are telling yourself, I'm never going to be successful, you will never be successful. But if you visualize, in 6 months from now, I will be here. And then you write down your plan for how you're going to do it. I'm going to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and I have this support team to help support me and hold me accountable. You know what? You will be successful and you will meet that goal, and you may succeed that goal. If you have people that are supportive to you, when you have those bad days, which we all have, when we think, oh no, nobody talked to me today, I wasn't able to share my opportunity with anybody, I can't think of what important things to talk to my target market about. This is when you go back to your support team, and then they'll help you with that mindset. That's one of the reasons I call myself the little engine that could, because if you remember that story, it's about the little engine who wanted to get on top of the mountain, and everybody told him he couldn't do it, he wasn't big and shiny, he wasn't red, he wasn't blue, he was just a little engine, and they never thought he could do the job. But the little engine said, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, and then he did. And I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up. If you apply these principles, if you surround yourself with the support, if you change your belief system and stop sabotaging yourself with the lies, but replace it with put a plan in action, surround yourself with positive people, and think of yourself of being a leader. You are a leader now when you take the step. It's all in your posture. It's all in your mindset. Being successful doesn't mean that you have to make $100,000 a year. Being successful means that you got up and you worked your business 5 days this week. That is successful, because you don't have a clock to check into, you don't have anybody telling you what to do. So I hope you found this helpful. Does anybody have any questions while we're on this live real quick about the power of mindset? Take it a while and think about it. Let it just go around in your brain. Think about that story that I told you about the woman, and how, and perhaps you can go back and just say, what are some of the ways that I have sabotaged myself? And you know what, if you feel like it and you want to share, drop a comment below on some of the ways you've sabotaged yourself and perhaps how you were able to pull out of it. And this way we can help encourage one another. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope that you keep working on your business every single day and don't give up. Remember that you are a leader now if you choose to be, and the past does not have to define you. You can define your future. You can decide where you want to be. You can get there if you work hard, if you work consistently, and you know what? If you use attraction marketing, I'm telling you, it works. So may God bless you, and I'll look forward to talking to you the next day. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up. Don't give up, don't give up. Bye.